Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GyroFlow with Davinci Resolve. First, ensure both GyroFlow and Davinci Resolve are installed and up to date. Next, export your footage from your camera, making sure to include the necessary motion data. Then, open GyroFlow and import your video file. Finally, load the correct lens profile to ensure precise stabilization for your footage. Once your footage is loaded, GyroFlow will analyze the embedded motion data. You can then fine-tune the stabilization settings to achieve your desired level of smoothness. Experiment with different parameters like smoothness and cropping to get the perfect look. Always preview the stabilized footage to ensure it meets your expectations before moving on. After that, export the stabilized video as a new file. Now, open Davinci Resolve and either create a new project or open an existing one. Import the video file that you just stabilized and exported from GyroFlow. Drag and drop this newly stabilized clip onto your timeline. From here, you can continue with your usual editing workflow, applying color grading, visual effects, or any other adjustments you need to make your video perfect. For the best results, always try to shoot with cameras that record accurate motion data, as this is crucial for GyroFlow. Using wide-angle lenses can also provide more room for stabilization without excessive cropping. Don't be afraid to experiment with GyroFlow's advanced settings to fine-tune your stabilization. And remember, always back up your original, unstabilized footage before making any permanent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.